Let's find out where 150 baht can take you in Bangkok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a one-day boat trip along the Chao Phraya River in Bangkok. The boat we're taking is called Hop On and Hop Off Chao Phraya Tourist Boat, where they will have 10 piers for you in total to explore within 150 baht. We're starting off at Iconsiam Pier. Let's get the tickets. In case you get confused, there's two kind of boat. As you can see, there's express boat and tourist boat. Express boat is a one-way ticket boat where you have to pay 30 baht for one ticket. But for the Chao Phraya tourist boat, you guys, you pay 150 for the unlimited trip in one day. All right? I feel like I'm gonna lose my hat today. Alright guys, we just came from Iconsiam Pier and they're just gonna stop at Ratchawong Pier first because that is the beginning of the line, and then we're going back to Iconsiam and then back to the main route. Okay. Right? And we're gonna stop at Rachawong Pier.
Ratchawong, yes.
Where is Chinatown? We're not gonna go to Chinatown. If you wanna find out where we're going, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let's find out. The boat has two stairs, right?
Yep.
Gonna go upstairs soon when it's cooler.
To see the sunset, right?
To see the sunset, yeah. So
Must be beautiful.
essential item when you come to Bangkok. Alright you guys, and here we are at Sampheng Market, which is also in Chinatown area. Sampheng is a market, both wholesale and retail market, where you can get everything you can think of here. Clothes, shoes, bags, accessories, handicrafts, fabric, everything really. And you'll get it in a very, very cheap price, but usually the more you buy it, the cheaper you'll get, alright? This shop, they sell every piece 10 baht, only 10 baht.
10 baht, but you have to buy at least
12 pieces.
Yes.
Well, there's no problem. We need more than 12 pieces anyway.
Yeah.
Girl can never get enough. Pencil cases.
Yeah.
This is fancy. What is this? A fancy pencil case?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lunchbox. It's lunchbox. Cutie. They have everything here for girls. Hair ties, scrunchies, earrings, necklace.
How much you pay?
12 pieces, 120.
Okay.
And I didn't buy all this just for myself, okay? Do not misunderstand. I got it some for my sister as well. And for you, too.
Thanks.
One more thing, you guys. If you're in a market in Thailand, all over in Thailand, especially in a small alleyway like this, watch out for pickpockets. Because it's a small alleyway and it can happen to you anytime, right? Wow!
Hey, bear.
Alright, you guys, right now we're at Rajinee Pier, which is the flower market pier. And as you can see, there's a lot of flowers sailing along the street. And you can visit the beautiful Sapan Put, the beautiful bridge that we are going soon. But Tengkwa is buying the flower because, you know, if you're a big fan of Lisa, Blackpink, she was spotted here a few weeks ago. So we're just gonna buy the flowers and take some photos. Alright, let's go. Yay!
Just 120.
120. Beautiful. Lisa was spotted here a few weeks ago, right? Shall we do the photo? But she was with her mom though. You wanna be the mom?
You.
Okay, I'm the mom. You're Lisa. So many girls carrying flowers, you know, like Lisa. Big fan, big fan. Oh, cafe upstairs. Cafe upstairs, baby. Ooh. Oh, so Right, you guys, this cafe is gorgeous. If you walk through the door, the first floor is the flower shop, and upstairs is this beautiful, gorgeous cafe. This is the first floor of the cafe, right? We're gonna check the upstairs, right? Let's go. It's so classic. So classic. Is it a glass or a bowl? Oh god. High quality cake and drink. Recommend this place, really.
Beautiful cafe right in Bangkok Talat.
Yeah, but judging by the way it looks outside,
Yeah,
you wouldn't walk in
very
ready.
local.
Yeah, I actually found this cafe online and it's right in the middle of the flower market. That's why we wanted to check it out and I'm glad we did.
Love it.
Yay!
Ui. Ui, นึกว่าแมว
Alright, here we are at Wat Arun Pier. It's a must-stop pier. If you take this hop on and hop off tourist boat, Wat Arun is a must-stop pier. Alright, it's one of the most beautiful, most iconic temple in Thailand. And look at this gorgeous pagodas. We did a full video here, so I will give you the link down in the description for you. Alright, so right, let's walk around. A lot of people taking photos here. This temple is very famous for photos. You see, if you come here, you see a lot of people wearing Thai costumes. Because there's a rent shop next to the temple, right?
Yeah, it's just right next to.
Or anywhere in Bangkok, there's a lot of shops here. Let's go. markets. Local market, you find everything super cheap because it's right next to one of the biggest hospital in Thailand. You see a lot of nurses and college students coming to fill their tummies during lunchtime and dinner time. So if you're looking for a local market, I recommend this place, and we already did a full video here on this market. I will put it down in the description so you can watch it after watching this video. Athit Pier. If you look at the map, it is the last pier on the map. Alright, this pier located in Bangkok Old Town. We have already done a video here as well. It's our first ever episode, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll put it down in the description. The landmark of this area is probably this. It's a fort, Sumain Fort, and a lot of old classic cafe, restaurants, bars, and more museum and park as well. Alright, so let's walk around.
Khao San Road is only 5 to 10 minutes walk away from this pier, so if you happen to stay around this area, Phra Athit Pier can be at the start of your journey.
Right here is one of me and Tengwa most favorite Baht restaurant. It's in just across the fort, right? Very good Baht, and also chicken with rice, right? Let's order. Don't forget, you guys, to drink plenty of water. Just so you know, my best friend name is Tengwa, right? So this is Tengwa. Tengwa means cucumber in English. Just so you know. Right, I'm gonna dig in. This is Baht chicken. Where's chicken? Chicken! Hot. This is chicken and rice. And you put some sauce. Garlic.
A lot
of it. And garlic, fried garlic. I'm going to heaven. You want to tell the lesson we just learned? The boat comes every half an hour, but it always 5 minutes earlier.
You should have to be here before
5 minutes, 10 minutes before.
Yeah, to make sure that you will be get on the boat on time.
Because we came here on time and then we missed the boat.
Just 1 minute.
I know, then we need to wait another 25 minutes. Beautiful temple behind us. Yeah. We literally have no seats. You need to stand because no one sits downstairs anymore because you know the view is breathtaking and Wat Arun. It's so beautiful. That's why it's so iconic. Why you see this temple on most postcard symbolizing Thailand. Alright guys, we finally made it back to Iconsiam Pier. It's been a lovely day today. So if you are planning to do a one-day trip in Bangkok, I think Chao Phraya Tourist Boat can really make the most of your visit and really save your money and time. Any questions about today's trip? Feel free to ask in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I hope you have an amazing day guys. Bye!